मैंने भी स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा हुआ था कि 4-5 वीडियो डालने के बाद आई वाज लाइक अभी तो व्यूज आने चाहिए, बट देन आई रियलाइज ओवर टाइम कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू इट. बहुत रिजल्ट्स के पीछे अगर भागने लगे तो आपकी मेहनत पे एंड आई थिंक मेंटली ऑल्सो यू विल बी अ लिटिल डिस्टर्ब कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, यू विल गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. सो जस्ट डू इट. द रिजल्ट्स विल, यू विल गेट इट.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Bira and myself Pranav, and I'm quite glad to say that today we are going to record this episode 8 of Mitra Bhet with one of my known friend, no not known friend, but yeah, she is quite known now because पिछले हफ्ते भर से बात हो रहा है. But she is an awesome person because she creates videos on YouTube channel. She has joined YouTube like a year and a half ago or year ago, and she has created great videos with an awesome range, and with her she has also crossed 116k views का एक वीडियो उसका क्रॉस कर चुका है, and she is none other than but Prerna Marathe. Welcome Prerna, how are you?
Thank you, I'm great.
And how is this lockdown treating you, to be honest? Because lockdown will be treating you very great, to be honest.
Not really, because all these people have been saying that this lockdown has been the best thing happened to me, but for me it has been the complete opposite. Because after my exam I had a certain vision that I'll shoot these videos and I'll put some great content on YouTube, but everything was ruined. I was not able to get any ingredients, no equipments, nothing. So it has been very, very difficult, and the whole point of vacation is gone. So yeah, it is miserable.
I can understand your point of seeing vacation gone. I can completely understand, because vacation is something which is like most, and I think you are studying in 12th standard, right? You are studying in 12th standard.
Yeah, I just completed.
Yeah, so my dear friend, this girl is just 18 years old now, and she is very sad because she wasn't able to celebrate her or have fun in her what we say vacations, 12th का vacation. But 12th का vacation is something like achievement.
Yeah.
पूरा फैमिली इज लाइक कि 12th है, उसके बाद मजे ही मजे, एंड दैट मजे वाला टाइम इज दिस वेकेशन, नथिंग एल्स. एंड लाइक and that is also gone. I can understand. COVID has taken a lot of shit from life, no doubt.
Complete happiness is gone.
But still, I would like to ask about the achievements which she has cracked in this lockdown. घर पे बैठे बैठे कुछ अलग ही achievements you have crossed. Can you talk about few of those? Can you share?
I think yeah, so I think achievements as such, I have worked a lot on YouTube and on Instagram. Earlier it wasn't a clear vision that यही करना है, YouTube ही करियर है और Instagram पे वो food blogger ही बनना है. But with time I have understood that there's a need to put your talent out there so the other people can see it and also learn from it, because there's no point in just putting out pictures. How will people get inspired or try your recipes? So that's what I had in my mind, and I got featured in a small blog, so that was a really great feeling. It was a small blog, but still it matters to me. And
Right, but to be honest, can you talk a little bit more about this blog? We would be very glad to know about it.
So one of my follower is a mom, and she messaged me that I just had a kid and I have a lot of time on my hands, so I'm trying baking. So I just helped her, and after a few weeks she sent me a blog. She told that I write blogs about motherhood, and I'm a new mom, so that's what I write. And then she posted a blog called good bakers or good content creators out there, and my name was in it, and she wrote wonderful things about me. So that was really, really unexpected, but made me really happy.
Wow, superb. So you have actually made a collaboration with a blogger already. So this is not just your first collaboration. I'm quite glad to know that. Great, superb. Moving ahead, guys, this girl uploads videos on baking, majorly on baking, but also on various other forms. One of her video, which is the mango kulfi, has crossed all the records. But I would like to ask about her interest, to be honest, because speaking about interest, at what age did you started baking at first? And like was she interested in, what are you interested in baking only, or you had some another interest and then you came into baking, something like that?
So initially it started out when I was in 4th standard. My neighbor used to bake a thumbs up cake, and at that time, I think it was 2011 or 12, it was a huge thing for me baking a cake at home, because at that point of time everyone used to just go to Monginus, order a cake and birthday ho gaya. So that time she made a cake and I was so fascinated about it that then after a year I moved to Thane, and I don't know, out of nowhere I just bought some ingredients and molded it into some shape of cake. It was not a cake, but still I was proud of myself, and from that point of time it all started, and slowly I started baking few things. So my first cake was a complete disaster. It was a black forest cake. I just mixed everything without any measurements or quantity or measuring cups or spoon, nothing. But I'm glad my family didn't say a word. They were kind of happy at that point of time. And yeah, from that I just started making few things, and here I am.
Awesome. I like starting with nothing and coming up till here. It would be a great journey, no doubt.
Exactly.
So can you tell me, like, is baking only your thing, or like you are fond of cooking also and you cook various dishes at your home? Is it like that?
So initially it was all about baking. I used to love desserts more, but I don't know, shockingly in this quarantine I have tried more of cooking recipes than baking recipes. I have tried a lot of mushroom recipes. I love chicken. So chicken tikka, chicken curry, butter chicken, so many recipes. And I think I am still experiencing my cooking side. So I have to see what else I can make. So I'm loving the cooking side as well.
So I am a big foodie. What about you? Are you a foodie only, or just you like to feed others and you like to cook, and you like to cook and also eat? Like, what is your call on this?
So I am a foodie, and mostly I bake for myself because I feel like eating it. I have my own cravings. It's crazy. It can be at midnight, it can be early morning. So I usually bake for myself, and yes, I am a big foodie. Thanks to my family also, we have almost visited a place every year. So that's why I have tried a lot of things. And my brother was a part-time foodie during his college days. So I used to accompany with him to restaurant reviews and everything, and I've tried a lot of things. So yeah, I love to eat food, and not only Indian but different continental and everything like.
I observed your Instagram feed recently, and I have observed a great photos and images which are not from India.
Okay.
Which are not from India and not from Maharashtra too. Which are like from Goa, Jodhpur, Paris, Italy, and Belgium, and I think United Kingdoms too.
Yeah.
So is traveling part of like your interest also? Ki just because family is traveling and you're traveling, or like have you done any kind of solo trips, or is it like that? Is it something like that?
So yeah, traveling is one of my other hobbies, or I can say that I love it. Last year I traveled, I think 7 countries in 21 days, and it was a crazy experience because that was my first international trip. And जब हम लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं हमारे नॉर्मल लाइफ में, तो एक बबल जैसे एक बबल में रहते हैं, उसके बाहर का हमें पता नहीं होता है कि वर्ल्ड कैसी है. तो लास्ट ईयर वो ट्रिप के वजह से मैंने देखा कि एक दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है, दूसरे लोग कैसे जीते हैं, उनकी लाइफस्टाइल क्या होती है, उनका देश कैसा होता है. सो इट वाज अ क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंस, एंड आई थिंक अभी सोच के भी इतना ऐसा थोड़ा इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि 21 दिन भी बहुत कम थे मेरे लिए. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गो बैक देयर अगेन, एंड आई हैव दिस विजन दैट आई विल गो बैक देयर डेफिनेटली.
Okay.
और जब ट्रैवलिंग की बात आती है, आई थिंक माई फैमिली हैज़, आई एम वेरी लकी बिकॉज माई होल फैमिली लव्स ट्रैवलिंग एंड हर एक साल तो एक प्लेस जाते ही है, भले ही वो महाराष्ट्र में ही हो, लेकिन ट्रैवलिंग करना ही चाहिए क्योंकि यू जस्ट गेट अ बिट चिल्ड, यू नो, थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है, थोड़ा आजू बाजू का देखते हैं हम लोग, सो इट्स वेरी काम, मन एकदम काम हो जाता है, अच्छा हो जाता है. सो या दैट्स वाई. एंड सोलो ट्रिप तो अभी नहीं जाने वाली हूँ मैं. क्वारंटाइन ने सब खराब कर दिया है. ये साल भी जाने वाले थे, आई थिंक श्रीलंका.
But did you had any plans of solo trip, or do you think of going?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I think I have. When I'll turn 20, I definitely want to go on a solo trip, and maybe with my best friend, or I'll just go alone. But by 20, I am definitely getting out of here.
Yes, why not? You should travel to places, like there are many places, man.
Yeah, there's so many beautiful places.
Tell me, Prerna, one thing. I have seen multiple YouTubers on the YouTube platform, but I haven't seen so much young YouTuber as such. Because like I have seen many, but इतना young age में confidence से खड़ा रहना, and after that, मतलब like I feel you are one of the most talented young YouTuber in India, and I think also in the world. So how do you feel to be part of this young community of YouTubers?
It feels great, and I think I'm very lucky to have the support of my friends and family as well, because they are the one who kind of pushed me that you should do this because you have great talent. And I think with the times have changed a lot. Now right now the social media platform, everyone is using it and everyone is posting, so I'm kind of lucky at this point, and it feels actually very very great. I receive so many beautiful messages on Instagram, people thanking me for great recipes, and sometimes they appreciate me for my hard work, that you kind of have the zeal to achieve so many things at such young age. So I think those messages just make my day better.
Super. What I can say is that you should keep doing this, because this is something which I like, कि भाई तुम लोग अगर तुम्हारा पैशन फॉलो करोगे ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दैट फीलिंग इज क्वाइट ग्रेट, एंड यू आर गेटिंग दिस एट वेरी यंग एज, सो आई एम क्वाइट ग्लैड फॉर यू. So if you just keep doing this and you keep growing, we will come back again and we will meet and we will do many things eventually. Next, I would like to, after all this, what is the thing which is कि baking is something which is Prerna all about. So प्रेरणा के चैनल का नाम भी है कि Bake with Prerna. So baking बोलने के बाद 2-3 things comes in mind कि baking in the sense, first of all let's talk about the basics. बेकिंग में बेसिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, क्योंकि उसमें अगर बैटर ढंग से बना हो, अगर व्हाट वी से द प्लेसमेंट इज ऑल्सो डन वेरी नाइस, इवन द बटर पेपर और द पार्चमेंट पेपर ऑल्सो प्लेज अ क्वाइट बिग रोल. बट ये सब बेस
You have knowledge. Wow. Parchment paper.
Yes, I this is after watching your videos, my dear, nothing else.
Oh wow. Thank you.
So what happened is कि I have seen lot of things, like you have to take care of very small things also and quite bigger things also later on, which is like icing the cake and all, but which is the one thing which is most important, which is a basic. So basics के बारे में what have you learnt it from somewhere, or have you went to classes or anything as such, or you have done it on your own by like the way I am learning from your end कि basics पे कैसे ध्यान देने का. So you have learnt it from some YouTube thing, or like you have went to any classes or anything as such?
No, I am a complete self-taught baker, and I've learned everything from YouTube and Google and lots of articles. But when I started, YouTube was my only source, और तभी भी I had no knowledge, like zero knowledge कि तुमको स्पंज केक पहले बनाना आना चाहिए, फिर तुमको आइसिंग बनाना आना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ें आई थिंक विद टाइम ही फिगर आउट की है। एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना मैंने कोई आर्टिकल्स पढ़े थे कि आपको ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो अभी पता चल रहा है। उस टाइम पे इतना फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करते थे। सो आई हैव लर्न एवरीथिंग ऑन माई ओन एंड अब तो इतने क्लासेस है, वर्कशॉप्स है, स्कूल्स है जहाँ पर आप जाके सीख सकते हैं। बट आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक टू लर्न ऑन माई ओन, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि मैं कहाँ मिस्टेक्स कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत ईजी होता है किसी की रेसिपी देख के करना, लेकिन खुद से फिगर आउट करने में कुछ अलग ही मज़ा आता है और वो मज़ा मुझे बहुत पसंद है। सो या
Great. So basically, you're self-learned baker, and a person who has started baking in her like 4th standard till now, and fourth and fifth something like that, and from that thumbs up cake to till here, you have done a great. You might have had a great experience, but for all this, I have seen one thing which is quite common, and which is not quite common actually, because which I don't observe as such, but I have seen this one post in which you are thanking your brother way too much. Like you're thanking your brother for everything, and like there is very like, how can I portray this? Ki you are thanking him for his support, and you are like ki, because of you I am standing over here, something like this. And like, how was your family support? Because family plays an important role when it comes to YouTube and all things. After, first of all, बाद में तो friends and then बाकी सब, but family plays an important role. So how was your family support regarding this point, and like how it grew and eventually?
So I am extremely lucky to have a very very supportive siblings. Along with the elder brother, I also have an elder sister, and that has been a great help, because they have I think passed through this teenage time, and they didn't see anyone with so much passion and talent at such a young age. So when they saw that our sister likes to do cakes and cupcakes and everything, so they told me that you normally bake, so why don't you just click a beautiful picture and just post it? There's no extra mehnat in that. So yeah, at that point of time I thought कि ठीक है, Instagram पे ही डालना है, इतना कुछ नहीं है, क्या जाने वाला है। और स्कूल में भी थे, so there was a lot of time, and he helps. So when it comes to my brother, he helps me in editing, he helps in shooting my videos, he helps in taking the beautiful photographs. Like 90% I think the support comes from him and my sister both. Or when it comes to my parents, I think it's a little weird, because 9th standard तक तो it was nice कि बेटा तुम केक बनाती हो और great. When a girl goes in the kitchen, I think it's pretty good. It's a good sign. So so तब तक
One of the proud moments happening in family. मेरी बेटी किचन में गई.
राइट. सो तब तक इट वाज ओके, बट 10th आने के बाद ओ माय गॉड, बोर्ड्स सुनने के बाद दे आर लाइक बिट वियर्ड कि बेकिंग में क्या होगा, बेकिंग में थोड़ा करियर कर सकती हो और बोर्ड्स पे ध्यान दो. एंड आई हैव बिन ऑलवेज अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मार्क्स. आई वाज ऑलवेज अबव 90, सो आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक्ड हैविंग गुड मार्क्स. सो वो भी एक प्रेशर था कि गुड मार्क्स भी लाना है, फिर ये भी बोल रहे हैं. सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई used to get a little hurt कि ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं. But they have changed a lot in the last 2 years. They just let me do my own thing. They don't say anything कि ये क्यों कर रही हो and everything. So even when I told them that one of my videos has reached 1 lakh, they were happy. They didn't say anything कि अच्छा एक ही तो वीडियो पहुंचा है, अभी बहुत है. They didn't do that. They supported me, and I think it's a big transition for me. And it's okay for Indian parents to sometimes doubt or say things like this. It is very very natural of them. वो directly आके नहीं बोलेंगे कि हाँ बेटा जो करना है कर लो. हाँ, so it's never like that.
Superb, nice. Like now, talking about 12th standard. Now 12th has done, and usually people take quite important decision after their 12th. And I just want to know in which stream are you going to pursue your career in future? Just want to know.
Okay. So I'm going to pursue BA in psychology basically, and then let's see where it goes. I'll do MA, and then maybe I have this dream of going to.
So you have just opted for BA in psychology.
Yeah. So I can.
So psychologically be sweet, and taste buds may be sweet. Everything is going to be sweet.
Yes. So I have this dream of going to a pastry school, but not right now. Like courses है culinary arts के 3 years के degree कर सकती हूँ, but I just don't want to right now. Maybe sometime future I'll go there and learn few things, but अभी के लिए I am satisfied with what I have.
One just last tiny question before we go further. If you are, I know you will keep doing videos thing. I know you will keep doing all this YouTube thing. But in life, in future, will you think of doing YouTube as permanent thing and leave everything else?
No, I don't think so. When I started YouTube, at that point of time only I knew कि YouTube ही मेरी full जिंदगी है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a platform. I think it's a very important platform other than Instagram. It's a very influential platform. वहाँ पर आपको बहुत real audience मिलती है. And right now I'm just building my own community kind of thing, you know, कि जब अगर मैं 4-5 साल के बाद अगर कोई business खोली या फिर मेरी खुद की company हो, तो I'll have that audience ready for me who know me and who have seen me all through this year. So YouTube is just a platform for me right now. It's not my entire life and not permanent for life, I think.
Super. So now moving to the last segment, which is one of my favorite, because यहाँ पे I get rapid questions के ऊपर rapid answer, which is none other than but the rapid fire round. And rapid fire round has something special because I don't give anything to anyone. Rapid fire round is just like कि मैं तुमको rapid question पूछेगा और rapid answers लेगा, and you don't get anything in return. Okay, so just give me some answers, nothing else. So yeah, moving ahead, I think you have done almost more than 50 videos on your channel, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So which one is your favorite?
So when it comes to baking, I think it doesn't a recipe doesn't need to be very complicated to be a very good recipe. I think a simple one also can make you happy, and for me that is chocolate mud cake. It is a beautiful recipe. I think chocolate is सबका ही favorite flavor, तो इसलिए chocolate mud cake is my favorite one.
Okay. And now after all this development and growth, if you have to choose a one single YouTuber who you watch every day, or maybe like twice in a week, or maybe more than that, who would it be?
I think now that everyone is my competition on YouTube, but earlier I used to watch a lot of videos of Gemma Stafford. She lives in California, I guess. She's from Ireland, and in my beginning days I've watched a lot of videos. She's very sweet and posts amazing recipes. So sir, I don't there's no current favorite YouTuber right now, but she's one of my favorites.
Okay. But now there is nothing as such as a single favorite. बहुत लंबा competition है. So guys, प्रेरणा का favorite होना is not simple.
No.
मेरा भी नाम ले सकती थी but नहीं लिया. I understand. Great. Okay. So moving to last part, कि if you have to choose something between making your own shop or making videos, what would it be?
I think videos, because shop and baking business is complicated. It's requires a lot of hard work, which I'm not afraid to. But still, I think videos I'll enjoy more.
Recently, lot of things have happened in 2020. Okay, many negative things have happened, many positive things have happened, but 2020 is quite known for not so good year as such, and it has been a disaster. We have lost many people, we have lost many things, but mainly if like what you have gained in 2020, if I would ask, then what it would be?
I think a wonderful audience and and self-belief, I think, because I wasn't really confident in myself earlier. I was not very popular as well. I was not very known, but since I started baking, I've been very known for my creativeness, I think. Yeah, wonderful audience, wonderful family, and yeah, my self-confidence.
Yes, so that's what I want to say you guys actually, because the thing is कि 2020 भले बहुत horrible हुआ हो, बहुत problems face किए हो, but it is all about self belief. If you have that belief in yourself that you can crack the shit out of it and you can just go ahead and you can just become maybe a YouTuber, maybe a content writer, maybe something else, not even in our field, maybe just a good guy who is good at exercising. अगर इतना भी विश हो, मी टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सरसाइजिंग इज टेक्निकली नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल, बट स्टिल द पॉइंट इज कि इतना बहुत कुछ है अगर तुम कर सकते हो, बट इट इज़ लाइक कि इट शुड बी इन योर माइंड, इट शुड बी योर माइंड सेट कि करना है और मैं करके रहेगा. उसके लिए मेरे को मेरे को रात को 3 बजे सो के दूसरे दिन सुबह 10 बजे उठ के काम कर रहा हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम.
आजकल लोग आई थिंक आजकल लोग बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट्स एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. लाइक मैंने भी स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा हुआ था कि 4-5 वीडियो डालने के बाद आई वाज लाइक अभी तो व्यूज़ आने चाहिए, बट देन आई रियलाइज ओवर टाइम कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू इट. बहुत रिजल्ट्स के पीछे अगर भागने लगे तो आपकी मेहनत पे एंड आई थिंक मेंटली ऑल्सो यू विल बी अ लिटिल डिस्टर्ब कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, यू विल गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. सो जस्ट डू इट, द रिजल्ट्स यू विल गेट इट.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग टिल हियर. अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल. And why not subscribe to her channel, because she is also a great creator.
Thank you so much for having me here. I think this was a great opportunity. The first time you guys came in contact with me, I was a little excited and I thought this was really new, because a lot of big YouTubers do that and I haven't seen small content creators doing this, and this is a great opportunity for everyone actually. So you guys are doing great, just keep doing it, and again thank you so much for this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Beera's YouTube channel as well, and if you guys like this video then you know what to do, that is like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the let them guys know in the comments below that how you like this video, so they can get more encouraged and feel supported.
And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.